Uh, Good morning. So this is Gajendra. So I am from Tansen restaurant. So today I am discussing about the gin. So what is gin? So gin is a alcoholic beverage. It's distilled from juniper berries. So basically today I am discussing about the Japanese craft Roku gin. So what is Roku gin? So basically Roku gin is distilled by Japanese. So six unique Japanese botanicals. That name is Shukura flowers, Shukura leaf, Sancho pepper, Sancho tea, Yukira tea, and Yuzu pill. We are using like six varieties of Japanese botanicals. So coming for Rokujin is basically Suntory Toki company, EST 1899, alkali percent 43%, bottle 700 ml. So very interesting things when guest, I mean hotelier, when guest placing order for the Rokujin, that most combination, if guest placing order for the gin, that most combination of tonic water. But here, if anyone placing order for the Rokujin, that combination of tonic water with julienne cutting ginger is most important for the combination. Coming for the Rokujin based cocktails, that name is like Gimlet, GNT, Trampolin, Southside, and different also flavor. If guests want for the GNT of the flavor, we have thyme, we have basil, we have chamomile, we have grapefruits, we have orange peel, we have different kinds of flavor we can make also. So why I am informing Rokujin? Because this is one of the this is one of the Japanese craft gin. See, this is the Rokujin bottle. This is the, I already informed, the Japanese craft gin. It's basically Rokujin, distilled in Japan, just like informing you. And Roku, what is Roku? I want the comment and share. What is Roku? Roku is a English word, Japanese character. Roku is a English and Japanese character. That is most important. And see, Japanese craft gin, how it's looking. It's looking so nice. 700 ml and 43 of alcoholic volume. I already informed. And EST 1899 is basically Japan. So see how it's looking. It's so cute bottle. So cute bottle. So cute. Double cute bottle. Rokujin. See, its look is so nice. So because I'm in hoteliers, today I am discussing about the Japanese craft gin Roku. So it's one of the best Rokujin in Japanese. So if guest placing order for the Rokujin, please inform to the guest Roku with the tonic water and julienne cutting ginger is most important. So thank you so much. So this is the Rokujin. Just now I informing you this is Rokujin. What is Rokujin? How is made? And Rokujin is from. I already informing you. So thank you so much. Bye all the my valuable friends. So thank you.